Hey guys, today I am with a video on an easy tech startup, X-Farm. Here, easy tech means this startup is interacting with agriculture and technology simultaneously. So introducing X-Farm, it was founded in 2017 in Italy. It's a SaaS platform. X-Farm was born out of founder Matteo Venotti, who was a farmer himself. Salvatore Ferrulo is the CEO of X-Farm. Now let me tell you the problem statement of X-Farm. What actual problem they are solving in this agriculture field especially. So the agriculture business is becoming more complex due to legal requirements and product certifications. Farmers have to take care of plantation of crops, their costs, and they even have to keep an eye on diseases causing to the crop. Also irrigation processes, surveillance, and certain legal formalities to make it to the supply chain. So these are very tedious tasks for the farmer on which they have to invest their time rather than doing the actual business which can help them increase their production. So what's the solution to this problem? Well, X-Farm has got something to offer. X-Farm is a startup that aims to transform agricultural processes by leveraging digital technology. It provides innovative tools to support farmers and food supply chain, also stakeholders. X-Farm is a SaaS platform. It's designed to facilitate the digitalization of farms, simplifying data collection and analysis. Well, the founder of the X-Farm was a farmer himself. So created by the farmers and tailored to the agricultural sector, X-Farm focuses on ease of use, intuitiveness, and complete adaptability to agricultural realities. This digital ecosystem includes a free agricultural application available on both mobile and desktop and integrated with advanced premium models, a dashboard analytics dedicated to professionals, and a line of IoT sensors selected, optimized, and connected by X-Farm. Now let me tell you some use cases of X-Farm. So for farmers, their platform has fast and free support. They can store their farm data digitally, which can be accessed from anywhere and is available in all the devices. Farmers can share some sort of their desired stuff to their colleagues. Their platform is compatible with IoT X-Farm sensors. Also, their platform can be integrated with technicians and agri-food supply chain. Now, the second use case is it will help farmers to reach to the maximum precision in farming. So, with X-Farm, farmers can choose among dozens of different premium models to create a platform suitable to their needs. There are specific 6 premium models offered to the farmers by X-Farm. They are precision irrigation, variable rate fertilizing, machinery telemetry, direct data sending to machinery, satellite mapping, and management of raster and vectorial files. Now, third use case of X-Farm is for agri-food industry. So for these enterprises, they can connect with their farmers via this digital platform so that they can view crops, extension and layout, also check treatment registers and field activities both completed and scheduled. Also they can read the data collected by the sensors of their farmers to foresee the production reduction. Also they can export reports about fields of whole companies to make administration easier. Automatic check of the information introduced in the register of activated in accordance with the specification. Now the fourth use case of X-Farm is for agronomists, for the experts in the science of soil management and crop production. They can connect with farmers through the digital platform of X-Farm so that they can view the arrangement of crops in various plots and schedule rotations. Also, they can monitor completed and scheduled treatment and field activity records. They can schedule activated directly in their farmer's interface. They can read the data collected by their farmers' sensors to recommend interventions and strategies. Also, they can export reports on fields or entire companies in order to manage their paperwork. Platform will also help them to automatically check that all dosages and information recorded are correct and are below the legal thresholds. Now, one more use case is traceability. So Xfarm says that consumers are becoming increasingly demanding and attentive when it comes to information on food products, and the current trend indicated a lack of credibility of common certifications. Traceability and the blockchain can cover these needs in allowing the consumer to virtually enter the production process. Xfarm aims to improve the collection of information, making that farmers normally place in the digital platform available to consumers in order to improve agro-technical and business management. Now, for this purpose, Xfarm provides suitable solutions for both agriculture entrepreneurs who transform and sell their own products directly, and also for agri-food industries that wants to increase the value of their food by talking about the raw materials used. Moreover, there are certain use cases of Xfarm for associations, cooperatives, dealers, contractors, insurance agencies for different purposes. Now let me tell you funding raised by Xfarm. Xfarm is funded by major two investors, TI Venture and United Venture. They have raised Euro 3 million from Series A funding round, which was announced on December 4, 2019. So this was all about today's video. Today I came up with a video on an easy tech startup, Xfarm. So hope you guys got something new to know from today's video. So keep watching, keep learning, and keep sharing.